Good morning, YouTube. Last year, Mobvoi introduced the TicPods free earphones. These things were fairly well received, premium, true wireless earphones. Mobvoi has now introduced brand new TicPods 2. So let's take a look. Let's see how these things are. How's the sound quality? How's the battery life? How's the app? Have they improved the app? Okay, let's take a look. So the TicPods 2 Pro come in a very nicely shrink-wrapped package. There's a sticker on the top here, Good Design Award 2019, Red Dot Award 2019. And then it says here, True Wireless Qualcomm aptX Audio Tic Hear Tic Motion. And then on the back, Quick Commands, we'll test that. Head gesture controls, touch controls like before, Qualcomm aptX Audio, 20-hour audio playback, dual mic noise cancellation, voice assistant, fast charging, and Bluetooth 5.0. Tic Motion is an embedded technology powered by Mobvoi's innovative AI algorithms. It proactively tracks physical activity without the user's need to activate or notify the device. Tic Motion enables TicPods to detect head and neck motion, giving users a seamless experience that goes beyond audio. What do you think? Gimmicky? Tic Motion. Tic Hear is Mobvoi's audio technology powered by in-house AI algorithms. It provides a seamless, interactive experience with the user's audio device. Tic Hear is built from a set of algorithms that includes VAD, noise reduction, AEC, beamforming, wake word detection, and more. This allows users to activate their personal assistant whenever and wherever. I love Mobvoi. They're a fantastic company. They're always trying to up the bar and be innovative. I've had good experience with a couple of Tic watches now. So I'm pretty excited to see how these guys are. Let's open it. Okay, so we can slide out the sleeve. There's the box. TicPods 2 Pro, color blue. Okay, let's take it out of the box. TicPods 2 AI Interactive TWS earphones. The AI assistant in your ear. We'll look at that in a minute. Here's the actual TicPods. Ooh, nice size. Similar size, I think, to the ones from last year. Ooh, very similar size, right? Whoa, I wasn't even close. The new case is 42% smaller than the previous case. That's quite an improvement. This case is really well designed. It's USB-C now, finally. So those are some good upgrades from the TicPods free. Now we have Bluetooth 5.0 and USB-C. Long overdue. Pretty comfortable. Remove before using. Ah. TicPods 2 Pro F79B. Okay, there. It's paired with 70% battery. Okay. Let's also quickly take a look and see what else is in the box here. So we have a more detailed instruction manual and a short charging cable. Yeah, very short charging cable. USB-A on one side and thankfully USB-C, of course, on the other side. Nice. My initial impressions now, after a few minutes of listening to audio with these new TicPods, is I'm quite happy. I love the design of the case. I love that it's smaller and it looks nice. It's very well designed. The app is also great. The app gives you lots of information. When you open the case, the app tells you the battery level of each individual earphone, as well as the battery level of the case. You also have lots of options in the app. You can adjust settings for controls, for using aptX audio. There are even EQ settings, and you can update firmware right from the app. I can't wait to use these earphones day to day and see how they work out. I'm really happy that Mobvoi has updated so many things since the TicPods free. Very happy to see USB-C, very happy to see Bluetooth 5.0, of course. And most of all, I'm happy to notice better sound quality. But I will definitely talk more about all of these details in my review video, which will be out in about a week. Okay, thank you for watching.